Hi, it's time for me to relax a little bit, and maybe it's time for you to relax as well. So this is Plasma, and I've just went to the PAMAC updater, so software update. I took a look what's in here with browse, categories, repositories, extra large. We have a lot that just can be installed from our repo. And just install all of them. And I'm just gonna check out Google Earth with you. Yeah, I think it's awesome the way we can actually zoom in to places. No tips necessary, thank you. So that's Google Earth for you, and it's really awesome. So you can swirl this thing around and use all the buttons, the plus and the minus, I think, the minus, the plus, but I'd rather scroll in and go and have a look at, I don't know, where's New York? Statue of Liberty. Let's have a look. Okay, Block Island, is that the name? Block Island, no, no statue here. So it has to be somewhere else. Plum Island. I didn't know there was such an amount of islands there. Probably can look for it as well. Statue of Liberty. Statue. There it is. Boom. And it's going to focus. It's more in that area. Ooh la 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 la. Would never have found it. So here you have it. And here it is in 3D. Is that awesome, right? Oh, I can even scroll more and more and more. Incredible, right? Google Earth is just awesome. Okay, you use it and it's okay, right? You are amazed, and then it's not anything we can develop with, but it is amazing what you can do with that. Let's try to find, maybe we can actually search something here. Places, sightseeing, tours, the Eiffel Tower. To here from here. Just want to go there, so click, click. Yeah, click, click. It is. Whee, to France. Hi, Raniel. I'm very close to you now. Isn't that nice? The details on the map. It's incredible. Can we rotate? Maybe with a shift. Yeah. When we press in shift control, it's a reflex I have from Photoshop and other Adobe things. So shift and control and alt, that's the thing I say to my students, use it. And that's like this then. Okay, so nice. Looking around, I think we go that way normally. Go here. Well, nice. Other stuff. Redeemer, the Grand Canyon, probably nothing to see. The Titanic. Okay, Forbidden City. Whoa, that would be nice. Without viruses, we're visiting the Forbidden City. That's better. And keep healthy. Ah, yeah, that's how it looks. Never seen it from the sky though. But that's it basically. Like so. Awesome. The world at your feet. So there you go, guys. Me having some fun. Google Earth is just in the repo, so sudo pacman -s or you saw PAMAC. Enjoy.